You throwing rocks, Emmett? You're doing a good job throwing.
Not grabbing the biggest one first, like he wants to save them.
He is. He's saving them just like you said.
Kind of hard to see because of the glare, right? You used to throw the biggest one, but what?
You want Mama to throw?
You want me to go? Yeah. You want to go down further? You want to sit by Daddy on the ground? Alright. Oh, that is a huge stuff. What? Can we hold the big one? Here, let's hold the big one right here. Oh, he won't let go of it.
You do the big one?
Yeah. Oh.
You the big one?
He keeps teasing on purpose. Oh, that was a good throw, isn't it? Now don't dump them all. I did a lot of work to get these. That was some. You getting sick of throwing? You throw it.